Happening right now in Madison, the state budget is on the fast track for approval. Lawmakers are debating in a late night session, and it could clear the full legislature as early as tomorrow. The controversial two-year spending plan is heavy on cuts to education. It's expected to pass the Senate tonight before heading to the Assembly. Now tonight, public education advocates rally to make their voices heard on cuts to the K-12 program, with the state's top educator leading the way. NBC 26's Alex Hagan is live in Green Bay with more. Alex.
Good evening, Cassandra. Well, public education advocates have been rallying across northeast Wisconsin for the past month. Tonight they were in Menasha, saying that this year's state budget does not protect Wisconsin public schools.
Lots of good support out here today.
The motto in Menasha this evening: Honk for public schools.
I believe our public schools are the heart of our community.
But public education advocates say lawmakers aren't with them.
Diverting public money to private schools.
We're not seeing any increase, any meaningful increase at all.
Clearly, we haven't had a lot of victories in this budget.
Today, Superintendent of Public Instruction Tony Evers rallied these advocates to keep fighting.
Continue on with what we've been doing.
Under the state budget, public schools won't be cut $127 million like Walker originally proposed, but also wouldn't get much more money, with only $69 million in the second year. Education officials say 55% of Wisconsin school districts now face decreased funding. Assembly Republicans, however, disagree.
It's not how much money you spend, it's how you spend it. And we've made a significant increased investment in public education.
Back in Menasha,
A lot of the things that have happened in the budget are weakening our public education system.
these folks are hoping their voices can make a difference. Now, public education advocates are not done regardless of what happens in that budget in the next week. They say they're going to be out in Little Chute next Tuesday doing exactly what they did today in Menasha. For now, reporting live in Green Bay, I'm Alex Hagan with NBC 26.